Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss classification of alloys. Course outcome. On completion of this topic, the students will be able to understand the classification of alloys, then understand the effect of various alloying element on steel. First, classification of alloys. There are several alloys of various metals such as alloys of aluminium, potassium, iron, cobalt, copper, silver, tin, lead, etc. and rare earth. Based on the presence or absence of iron, alloys can be classified into two types: ferrous alloys and non-ferrous alloys. First upon, what do you mean by ferrous alloys? Ferrous alloys contain iron as a major component. A few examples of ferrous alloys are stainless steel, cobalt, silver, gold, bismuth, nichrome, etc. Next, what is non-ferrous alloys? Non-ferrous alloys, it do not contain iron as a major component. For example, aluminium, brass, bronze, copper, tin, nickel and titanium. One of the example for ferrous alloys, nichrome. What are the composition, properties and uses of nichrome? Nichrome is a family of alloys of nickel, chromium and iron. It commonly used as resistance wire, heating elements in things like toasters and space heaters, in some dental restorations and few other applications. What are the composition of nichrome? Nickel 60%, chromium 12%, iron 26%, manganese 2%. Properties: nichrome is consistently silvery grey in color. It is corrosion resistant and have a high melting point above 1400 degrees Celsius. It possesses high electrical resistance, good resistance to heat and oxidation. Uses: it is used for making resistant coils, heating elements in stove, used for making parts of boiler, gas turbine, aero engine part. Nichrome is widely used in the explosive and firework industries, etc. Next, stainless steel. Stainless steel is not a single material but named for a family of corrosion resistant steel. These alloys contain around 30% of chromium. Types of stainless steels. They are classified into two types: heat treatable stainless steel and non-heat treatable stainless steel. First heading, heat treatable stainless steel. Composition, properties and uses. 1.2% of carbon. It have 12 to 16% of chromium. What are the properties of heat treatable stainless steel? It is water and weather resistant. It can be used up At 800 degrees Celsius, they are magnetic and tough. Then uses. It is used in making blade, scissors and surgical instrument. Next heading, non-heat treatable stainless steel. They possess less strength at high temperature. They are more resistant to corrosion. Non-heat treatable stainless steel further classified into two types. First one, magnetic stainless steel. Second one, non-magnetic stainless steel. First one, magnetic stainless steel. Composition, properties and uses of magnetic stainless steel. What are the composition of magnetic stainless steel? It contains 0.35% of carbon and 12 to 22% of chromium. Properties: it have more resistant to corrosion than heat treatable stainless steel. It can be used, rolled and machined. It is used in chemical equipment and automobiles. Non-magnetic stainless steel. Composition: 1.15% of carbon, 18 to 26% of chromium and 8 to 21% of nickel. Properties: it have corrosion resistant, oxidation resistant, etc. Uses: it is used in making shrinks, utensil, dental and surgical instruments. Next heading, 18 by 8 stainless steel. 18 by 8 stainless steel consists of 18% of chromium and 8% of nickel with iron, but at very low level of other elements. It is also known as 302 or 304 grade stainless steel. It is widely available and cheap. It has excellent corrosion resistance and it has good buildability and mechanical properties. What are the composition? 18% of chromium and 8% of nickel and the rest is iron. Properties: it provides a great finish when electro-polished. It have high density, melting point, magnetic properties and electrical resistivity, good tensile strength, high strength and hardness. Next, uses: it is used in kitchen and food applications. It is used in petroleum and chemical industries. It is made into many intermediate products such as steel tube, pipe, steel bar, rod and wire, etc. The important question analyze. Explain the properties and uses of nichrome and stainless steel. Thank you for watching this video.